Let's give some advice to someone asking for some help from someone who sent in a letter. And the letter goes like this. John, I'm a millennial who started his career in finance, working for 2 years now, but I think my heart is in marketing. How can I shift even if I don't have proven experience? So 2 things I'd like you to consider. Number 1, I need you to build your track record first, because we're not just hiring people from scratch. Neither are we hiring someone fresh from university or school. We're hiring someone with experience already. So if you're from finance and you want to move on to marketing, consider volunteering first in projects that involve, for example, organizing events, managing social media accounts. Float these activities for a few months or even for a year and try to gain as much experience as you can so that come your job interview time, you have a lot of things to talk about. You can also complement by binging in a lot of marketing videos or prioritizing those online courses that offer certifications about marketing. Number 2, most people would think that they have to quit their job so that they can move on to a different company, that they can apply for a different position. And I would like you to consider that it's actually going to be easier if you move within the organization. Why is that? You're from finance and you likely have already worked with other people within the company. You've gained credibility, you've gained their trust. It's easier for your skills to be vouched on by other folks. And if you happen to be a rock star, then it's going to be easier for you to sell yourself in that internal job interview. More importantly, I do think a lot of companies appreciate if their people rotate around departments, because that means that they get to cross-sell and infect positively their skills with other people so that their employees become more well-rounded. So don't think of immediately resigning. Think of moving within the company. Remember, if you cannot reach the peak of the mountain, you don't need to leave that mountain. Sometimes all you need to do is to look for a different route. I hope you get to move on to that new journey and to be able to shift gears. Good luck.